Let's talk about functions. Now, a function is just something that you can do to some number and you'll get an output. It's kind of like a processor. You put an input and you get an output. So, let's say we have x squared plus 3x, and this is our function. And let's say we want to find f of 3. Now, it's important to notice that this f is not, we're not multiplying by f. Instead, we're doing f of 3. So 3 is this x. We're applying the function to the 3. So we plug 3 in for the x. So we get 3 squared plus 3 times 3. This will be 9 plus 9. So this will be 18. So f of 3 is equal to 18. Let's get another function. Let's say we have g of x this time. The variable that you use really doesn't matter. You can use f of x, g of x, a of x, it doesn't matter. It's just that f, g, and h are probably the most common ones you're going to see, f being the most common. Let's say g of x is 3x plus 12. And let's say we want to find g of 4. So we're going to plug in 4 for x. So we multiply 4 with 3 and then add it to 12. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 12 is 24. Let's look at another example. Let's look at f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. And let's say we want to find f of 2. Try this one yourself. So, we have to plug in 2 for x. So 4 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 2. So we get 4 times 4 plus 3 times 2 plus 2. This will be 16 plus 6 plus 2. This will be 22 plus 2, which is 24. Now, functions can get a little bit more complicated. Let's say we have f of x is equal to 3x. And let's say we want to find f of x plus 3. Now, this is a little bit weird to think about, because we have an x here and we have an x here. But basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to plug in x plus 3 for x. So this x plus 3 will be plugged in right here. So this will be 3 times x plus 3. This will be 3x plus 9. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with functions, like finding their inverse, graphing them, and so on. But for the purposes of this video, we're not going to go there. Let's try one last example. Let's say we have h of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 3x plus 4. And let's say we want to find h of x plus 2. So again, we need to plug in x plus 2 for x. So this will be 4 times x plus 2 cubed plus 3 times x plus 2 plus 4. Now, it's not necessary to simplify this. In an actual test, it would be, but I'm trying to show you that you plug in everything that you have here for x. This can be really confusing sometimes. If you did want to simplify it, this would be 4 times x cubed plus 3 times x squared times 2 plus 3 times x times 2 squared plus 8. plus, if we distribute this out, we'll get 3x plus 6 plus 4. Don't worry about all of this if you don't understand it. All I did was multiply this out, but except I used a formula for it. So distributing everything with the 4 will give us 4x cubed plus 12 times 2, so that'll be 24x squared plus 3 times 4, that's 12, times 4, that's 48x plus 32 plus 3x plus 10. Adding up all the like terms, we get 4x cubed plus 24x squared. Then we add 48x to 3x, so that'll be 51x plus 32 plus 10, 42. So this is our final answer. Again, if you didn't understand how I expanded everything, don't worry about it. All I did was multiply all of this out 3 times, and I got this. Now, functions can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked the practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to check those out.